A new electric vehicle share service has just hit the streets of the hub city. They're called Birds. Our Courtney Fromm took a ride to see how dozens of electric scooters scattered around Lubbock are trying to help make your last mile a little easier.
So far, we've only been able to talk to college students who are using it, and let's just say they're pretty excited. All you have to do is find the scooter's location, scan this barcode right here. It charges you $1 for the initial startup and then 15 cents per minute after that. Then you kick up the kickstand, shuffle a few times, and take off.
Yeah, what $1 million idea that I didn't come up with.
Definitely. This is literally right here in the parking lot, like my car's right there.
Convenient and cheap.
And it's kind of like Uber, but with scooters.
It just makes it way easier to get to campus and back home.
Some students at Texas Tech were surprised when they found these scooters left around campus.
They just kind of showed up the other day and we were all like, all right, cool, let's try it.
I mean, I was parking at one of my friend's house to walk to class, and I was walking to class and I saw all these, and I have no clue. Like, people are just leaving their scooters out.
And when I came back this semester, they were already here.
The app Bird launched in September of 2017, and they say their scooters are a low-cost, environmentally friendly mode of transportation.
I mean, it definitely shows that Lubbock's growing and, is becoming more urban.
The app says they will send riders a free helmet if they request it, but users say it's ride at your own risk.
For like when you're going through and setting up, it pops up a whole bunch of information saying, hey, like, you're riding this at your own risk, wear a helmet, be safe.
You can still get a DWI on one of these things, so be careful.
Riders are required to have a valid driver's license in order to ride.
It's been a fun time so far.
You're enjoying it?
Oh yeah, and especially on hot days like this, when Lubbock's looking nice actually too. It's fun to ride.
But of course, every ride has to come to an end. So once your day is done, you park the scooter in a safe spot, put down the kickstand, click end on your ride, and call it a day. For now, reporting in Central Lubbock, I'm Courtney Fromm, KLBK News.
All right, thanks, Courtney.